Hello friends, today we'll see how to create pick list mass upload. So in the previous videos we saw how to create a pick list and also pick list values. So what is pick list mass upload is when we have to create many pick list. So these are the steps for the mass upload. Import and export data. To download the data, we'll select export data, and for uploading the pick list which we want to create is import data. So we'll see how to create this. So the first step is import and export data. Import and export data. So we have to select the action to perform. So first what we'll do is we will export the data, that is we will download the data from the system first so that we can get the template. Select export data. Here we'll select the select generic object. We want to select pick list here. After this, include dependencies will be yes. Include immutable IDs will be no. Inactive records no. Exclude reference objects no. Select all data records yes. Keep reference will be business key. Hide external code no. And the identity type is user ID. Date format is month, date and year. So what we are doing is we are exporting the data from the system. Click export. Now after clicking export, we'll go to view result. So here you can see the file has been exported. Okay, view details, download status. Save this file. Close this. You can see the file which we had exported comes under scheduled job manager. So we go on the desktop. So here you can see these two files, picklist and picklist values. So when we selected picklist, also picklist values has been downloaded. So we'll open this file first, picklist. Okay, editing the document. So these are the picklist which are present in the system currently. ID code is the picklist name, and these are the fields. So I'll show you. Go to Picklist Center. In the previous videos when I showed how to create the pick list, we went to Picklist Center. Then we clicked on this plus option to create. So here you can see these are the fields which are required to create a pick list: code, name, status, active or inactive, effective start date, and the display order. Here it was alphabetical, numeric or custom, parent pick list and legacy pick list ID. These were the fields required to create. You have to fill to create the pick list. So if you can see in the Excel, the same fields are there. This is the template for the pick list: code, legacy pick list, parent pick list, name, status, active or inactive, display order, alphabetical, numeric or custom, and this is the effective start date. Okay, so this is the data for the pick list and pick list values which I want to create. So I cannot create it one by one. So I'll be using the import and export data for uploading and downloading the pick list. So the pick list which I have taken is district, city and state. These are the pick list values, that is the drop down value for the district, city and state. Okay. So I'll go to Excel. What I'll do is I'll save this file, the desktop. I'm naming it district, city, state. So name it anything. Use text CSV format. These are the pick list already present. So I will add my pick list. District, district underscore 1. Then here I am creating the pick list first, not the pick list values. The Excel which I have downloaded is for pick list only. So our pick list ID is district, city and state. District, city, state. The legacy pick list is the same as the pick list ID. Then this is active or inactive. So this should be active. I have to type it underscore 1, state underscore 1. Okay. So this is active. The date. One more field, alpha. District, state and city. So we have created the pick list. So what I'll do is I'll delete the other pick list which we had downloaded from the system, since we have to create only these pick lists. So your name is also the same. So I will copy paste this here. I will save this file, close it. Now we will go to import and export data. So we are not using Picklist Center here. We'll only use Picklist Center here for checking whether our data has been uploaded. I'll go to import export data. I'm refreshing this page. Now, since I have created the pick list, I want to import it, that is upload it. So I'll click import data. Always select CSV file for uploading pick list. Select generic object pick list. Choose the file. The file name was district, city, state. Select it. The file encoding will be UTF-8. Purge type will be incremental load. Redundant date effective records, yes. Key for reference business key. Local format, no. Identity type user ID. Okay. So first what we'll do is we'll not directly import this data because there can be any discrepancies in the data. So to check whether the file has been uploaded successfully, first we'll click on validate. It's just like testing the data first and then actual importing it. So for checking whether it has been uploaded successfully, we'll go to view result, download the status, save this file on the desktop, 11172, go on desktop, open this file. So here you can see total records were 3, district, city and state. Number of failed records are 0, no error found in this file. So once we get this confirmation, we can actually import this file. Close this, go to import and export data. Now we'll be refreshing this page. Before any new command, we have to refresh this page. Select import data, everything will remain the same. Pick list, choose the file. The file was district, city, state, UTF-8 and everything remains the same. Now I will select import here because I have already checked the file. It was uploaded successfully. So after import, we go to view result again to check whether this file is imported successfully. We refresh this page first. Schedule job manager. You can check the timing if it matches with your file upload time. So you can see it is 11:37. So now the file is uploaded successfully. So what we'll do is we'll go to Picklist Center, refresh this since we uploaded the file. So now we'll check whether the pick list has been created as of date today. Now the pick list which we have created was city_1. We'll check it. Yes, it has been created. So this is the pick list. Name city_1, code was city_1, display order alphabetical, status active, legacy pick list ID city_1. So and these are the pick list values. No data is available since we have not uploaded the pick list values yet. Okay. So we'll check whether state is reflected. State_1 pick list ID, state_1. Yes. This has also been created effective January 1, 1900 with no pick list values. So our next step will be uplo- uploading and downloading pick list values. So when we downloaded pick list, that is exported the pick list from import and export data, we also downloaded pick list value. Click on it. So these are the pick list code. These are the pick list values for them. I'm editing this document. We'll save this file because this is the file where we'll be entering our pick list values for district, state and city. So pick list values, district, city, state. Save this file. CSV format. So there are many fields here. as per language. So here also there is active and inactive field. So what I'll do is, these are the pick list already in the system. What I'll do is I will delete the remaining. There is no confusion. So we'll go to our so the pick list and the pick list values here I have mentioned. We'll input these pick list values in the file. The pick list code is district underscore one. And under district underscore one, these are districts Nagpur, Satara, Kolhapur, Pune, Latur, and Thane. So we'll be entering these pick list values in this pick list values file so that we can upload this file to create the pick list values. So the effective date will be same. Next is pick list. Next is external code is district. Our district is Nagpur, Nagpur, Satara, Kolhapur, Pune. Now here is the non-unique external code. It will be the same. Copy paste here. And this is parent pick list. We have not created any. We don't want any parent pick list yet. The pick list value. We'll copy this. So in US English, we put the same pick list values. In values, the default value also same. Then this is as per the language. We currently don't want another languages yet. So go to the end of this file. So here you can see active or inactive. So we want it to reflect, so I'll keep it as active. So these are the values required. We filled in order to create picklist values, upload picklist values. So after district is city and state. So there are 6 picklist values. So the city underscore 1 6 times. So we will repeat the same thing in the other picklist values field. Non-unique external code. Then don't have parent picklist or child picklist yet. So value in US English default value. Then we go to active status. What I will do is I will copy paste active for city and active for state. So we have filled the checklist file which we want to upload. This previous one. So after saving and closing this file, we'll be uploading this now. Go to import and export data. Refresh this page. Okay, importing, that is uploading the file. Select the generic objects. We'll click pick list values here because we are uploading pick list values. Choose the file picklist values district. Sorry. District city state. Then UTF-8. First, we'll validate this file. After validation, view the result. In the progress section, you can see total uploaded are 18. These are the processed 18, passed 18, that is, which have been uploaded successfully, and failed is 0. View the results. And if the failed is 0, we'll check the file. On the file. So here you can see the total records were 18. These are 18 records total. Number of failed records are 0. No error found in this file. If there are errors in the file which we had uploaded, we'll show with reasons as well. So we can make the necessary changes and then again import the file. Unless we get that the failed is equal to 0. So it has been uploaded successfully. So we can import this file now. Again, I will refresh this page. We'll select import data. Select picklist values. Choose the file. File is picklist values district city state. Well, encoding is UTF-8. Now we have done with this validate and view result. Now we are importing the file. So to check this, we'll go to view result. The failed is 0. Just check whether the failed is 0. So the file has been uploaded. We'll go to Picklist Center to check whether it has been uploaded. Picklist Center. We create a district, city and state. State underscore 1. This is the state underscore 1 pick list. So these were the pick list values we created. There were 6 values. Active. So you can see we have input these things in the file. Status active. Non-unique external code. Status label external code. So this is the way we have to upload the pick list and pick list values for mass upload. We'll check city. So this is the picklist city underscore 1. These are the picklist values. 6 picklist values. So this is the end of the video for picklist and picklist values mass upload. Thank you.